Hello YouTube. This video is about fitting these carbon paddle extensions on my 2018 Mercedes C63. It's got some nice paddles. They're actually exactly this size, but they're a bit small. I'd rather have a larger area. I got these T-carbon ones on Amazon for about $100. I'll go ahead and link them down below. And then I'll show you how to put them on. It's super easy. First step is to clean the back of your paddle shifters with a lint-free cloth and maybe some alcohol or something like that that doesn't leave any residue. And that's going to make it really easy for these guys to stick on there. So I'll show you how those go on. Okay, and here we are in my car, and you can see there is the paddle shifter. Here's what we're going to fit onto it. It's going to just slip right into that. It fits perfectly. That is the up paddle shifter. You can see how much it extends. And I'm going to go ahead and take this tape off, and can't do that one-handed. I'll show you what it looks like once it's on. All right, the tape is off. It's nice and clean. Make sure that you don't touch it with your fingers because your fingers have oil and it'll make it less sticky. Try to film this and do it at the same time. So I'm just going to put it right back here and press it down. All right, so we have both the paddles on. There's the down, here is the up. And you can see how far they extend over the OEM. Plus they add a nice bit of carbon to the full carbon look of the C63. They feel really good and very positive, and it gives you just a lot more leverage on the paddle shifter. It doesn't really change anything. They're really nice and lightweight. And I really like them. I have them on my other GLE 63 S, and they've worked great. One small downside, obviously, is that they do extend out and they may block a little bit of some of your controls, but not really. It's pretty much out of the way really nicely. You know, I'll use them for a while. I've been using them on the other car for a while. I haven't really had any problems, and I'll keep you guys updated to see how I like them. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like. I will be posting lots of updates and mods to my Mercedes C63. It's just getting started. Got some mats going on. This is the phone mount. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.